9 categories and 1200 plus products. This is MAF PRO.
For those who sell tools, a high-performance, industry-leading brand isn't optional, it's essential. That's what MAF PRO delivers. These tools are built for those who demand power, performance, and precision.
If your customers want pro-grade tools, MAF PRO is the real answer.